Hi guys, my name is Ain. So in this video, I will show you guys how to insert or how to put music to your panorama. Okay, so we need to enter the panorama editor. So go to the tool, go to the panorama editor. Okay, you can click on open editor, or if you have any changes, you can update your floor plan first and then you go to the open editor, or you can go to your gallery. Okay, under the panorama, okay, go to the edit without panorama. Okay, so you can choose lah any method. Okay, click on open editor, so it will redirect you to this panel editor page. Okay, so under this music icon, click this music icon. Okay, choose music. Okay, so you can upload your own music. Click on upload. Okay, choose your music file, but make sure it's in MP3 format sound. Okay, and then you click on open. Okay, when you upload, your music will be here, so you can choose any of the music. Okay, how to use it, you can click on this, use this music, click on this icon. Okay, so let's say you want to apply the music to others' room. Okay, you can also click to this apply to other scenarios. Okay, so now we already have our music, so we can click on this preview. Okay, okay, so now we already have the music. Okay, so whenever you give the link to your client, so your client will have the music also lah in this panorama. While viewing the panorama, it will have the music.